In this video, we will use everything we have learned so far and put it together to create a boat. So first, I'm going to start off by dragging a box to the work plane and then dragging the roof to the work plane. This is going to be the base of the boat. I'm just going to rotate the roof and then rotate it once more so that it basically lines up with the box. And right now the roof is below the work plane, so we have to use the top arrow to move it up a little bit and then move it again to line up with the box. And then I'm going to use box select to select both of the objects, and then resize them simultaneously so that they are the same size. You can resize it to whatever you think looks best. I think that looks good. Next, we want to add a work plane so that once we add the cabin on top of the boat, it will be perfectly lined up to the base of the boat. Just go ahead and resize the cabin to whatever size you think looks best. So after you found a good size for your cabin, we are going to add another work plane on top of the cabin to add the 3 smokestacks that are going to be on top of the boat. So the easiest way to do this is to just select a cylinder, drag it to your work plane, and duplicate it twice. And once again, you can pick either different sizes or keep them all the same. It's up to you. And then I decided to have 3 different sized smokestacks. Each consecutive one is slightly smaller than the previous. Just make sure they're all lined up. And then return the work plane back to the original state. And now we are going to be adding a design to the side of the cabin. So I chose to add a star. We'll be using the whole feature for this section. I decided to add a work plane to the side of the boat so I can easily align the star against the side of the cabin. So yeah, once I've figured out a good size, I'm just going to change it from a solid color to whole so that it will create a star-shaped indent on the side of the cabin. Then I selected the box and the star and I grouped them together. And now you will see the indent, star-shaped indent on the side of the cabin. Next, I will select the entire boat and I will click group, and I decided to change it all to a solid green. So here is the completed boat. Very simple to create, and this is just one of the many designs you can create with Tinkercad.